Right now, this exact second, this video is crossing the bottom of an ocean. Not metaphorically, physically, as light inside a glass thread thinner than a human hair, lying in the dark at the bottom of the sea. Most people believe the internet comes from space, satellites, signals, something invisible above the clouds. Here's the cold reality. All the satellites in orbit, Starlink included, carry less than 1% of the traffic between continents. The other 99% travels through wires, wet wires. 570 cable systems, more than 1 million kilometers, enough to wrap around the planet about 30 times. Every message you've ever sent to another continent, every video call, every payment, it all went through the bottom of the ocean. And the cable itself? At the deep sea sections, it's about as thick as a garden hose. The part that actually carries your life, the fiber, is thinner than an eyelash. One of these hoses can move hundreds of terabits every second. All the satellites in the sky, combined, manage a few dozen. Now, you've probably heard the story about sharks biting the internet. It's a myth. The industry tracked every cable fault for 8 years. The number caused by fish bites, including sharks, 0. The real predator is us. 70 to 80% of all cable breaks are caused by human hands. Fishing nets dragging the seabed, and ship anchors dropped in the wrong place. A single dragged anchor accounts for roughly 1 in 3 breaks. A ship the size of a village, blindly plowing a furrow through the internet. And it happens constantly. 150 to 200 breaks every year. That's a piece of the internet snapping, somewhere on Earth, every other day. Most of those breaks are accidents. In February 2024, one of them started with a missile. A bulk carrier in the Red Sea was hit by an anti-ship missile. Her crew abandoned her. And then, for weeks, nobody came. She drifted with her anchor down, dragging a furrow across the seabed. She cut 3 cables at once. A quarter of the traffic between Europe and Asia went with them. One of those 3 cables was not repaired until late July. An outage of almost 5 months. 1 abandoned ship. 1 anchor. 5 months. So, who fixes it? About 60 ships on the entire planet. 60 ships for 1 million kilometers of cable. Many of them older than the people watching this video. Half the fleet reaches the end of its life by 2040. When a cable breaks today, the average repair takes 40 days. In 2015, it was faster. It's getting slower. 40 days of a country's banks, hospitals, and markets leaning harder on the cables that are left. None of this is a mystery to the people who do the work. They have already costed the fix. About $3 billion and 20 ships. There is no backup internet in the sky. There is only the wire, the dark, and 60 old ships. The cloud isn't in the sky. We showed you that. And the internet isn't in space. Both of them are at the bottom of the ocean, held together by a handful of ships you've never heard of. That's the cold reality.